Today here at Lake Pontchartrain, we're in the Branche Wetlands. We're planting roughly 500 native trees.
They're primarily bald cypress, but also water tupelo and green ash and other species. And the goal being to plant thousands of trees per year in an effort to restore our wetlands.
Valero has partnered with the Pontchartrain Conservancy since 2015. We have had multiple tree planting opportunities here in St. Charles Parish and also by our Miro facility.
Valero's been supporting the wetlands area as well as their employees, most of them for their whole life. Most people that work at the St. Charles Refinery grew up in Louisiana, grew up in the wetlands and the swamp. So Valero specifically, back in 2003 when they bought the St. Charles Refinery, have been heavily involved. And it started with trail walks through the swamps, moving into educating high school students about the wetlands and the coast. And now we're in the marsh, in the wetlands, planting trees to help restore the coast.
Valero is a proud partner with the Pontchartrain Conservancy. With the $1 million 5-year plan, we'll continue to plant trees here in Louisiana.
The Valero volunteers are fantastic for coming out here and just getting a lot of trees in the ground very quickly, very organized. They plant them well, and we really appreciate their work.
It's important for Valero employees to continue volunteering in the communities that we live in because it's the Valero culture. When you look around at some of our things such as safety, environment, community, governance, and the employees, it's just what Valero does. It's what we do as employees. We all want to come out here. We all want our communities that we live in to be better, and Valero makes that happen.